Hey friends, let's do Sleeping Bag Guitar Lesson by ZZ Top. We'll do the intro, then we'll have a look at the rest of it. So for our intro, we're just playing the C power chord, but we're going to add the G on the E string there. So it's actually a C over G there. We just play it once and hold for 2 bars. 3, 4, 1, 2, and do that again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our intro. Then we have our verse. We play that for you. So now we're just doing the C power chord, palm mute 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then play the 5th fret on the D and the G, palm muted, and then we do that again on the A string, 3 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 5, D and G, then do 2 palm mutes on the A string, 3rd fret, and then play the 5th fret on D and G, hammer onto the 8th fret, and then we're doing a mute, down, up, and then the 8th again, so slowly. And for our verse we just do that 4 times, so one more time up to speed. Then we have the chorus, let me play that for you. So now we're just doing a G power chord, an F power chord, then we're going to 1st fret on the D, 3rd fret on the G, 4th fret on the B, and then come up 2 frets, so 3, 5 and 6, and then back to the C power chord 2 times. So. And again. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse. Guitar 1 just plays it all the way through, and guitar 2 we have this little fill. The first time through, when we're going to our 5, hammer on the 8, there's just a slide there on the guitar, and then we also have a little solo at the end of that. It's just 6 on the E string, hammer onto 8. From there we go back to the chorus, and that's exactly the same, and guitar 2 has a little fill there. So D string, 5, 3, and the end of the chorus. Then 3rd fret G, 4th fret on the B, and slide up 2 frets. And then just play 5 on the G 2 times. Then from there we have this little bridge part. We just play the C, stop it, and we're holding there for 8 bars. Then we have the solo, and we'll do that at the end. Let's have a look at the solo rhythm first. So we're just starting on the 6 on the A, do it 2 times, to 3, do that again, 6, to 3, and the next time through do 6 2 times, 3 2 times, then jump back to 6 and do it 4 times, and do that through twice. Then the second time through we're coming up to the 8 and do that. Times each, and then back to the first one again. 6 6 3 3 6 6 3 3. Then the 8s again, because we're doing it through 2 times. Back to our 6 and 3. 6 6 3 3 6 6 3 3. And that's our solo there. From there we go back to the chorus, and the solo's playing over that, and we'll look at all those bits at the end. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So then we have the bridge. Let me play that for you. So we're just playing the C power chord again. Then jump to the 6th fret on the E and do a bend, and do that again. C, 6th fret E, bend. Then play C, and we're holding 1, and then we're going to palm mute 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Mute 2 times, and then play 3 on the G, 4 and the B. And just do that part 2 times. So C. Then we have the next verse, and this changes a little bit, so let me do the first part for you. So this time we're playing the C, palm mute once on the E, go back to the 5 on the D and the G, and then 4 palm mutes on the 3rd fret A, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to 5, D and G, 3 palm mutes on the A 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, and then do our fill as before, 5 hammer onto 8, 2 mutes 8, and do that 4 times. And that's our next verse. Then we have our chorus, guitar 1 plays the same, and we have these little fills on guitar 2, so let me play that for you. So D string, 3rd fret slide up to 5th, G, 3, bend, so just a little half bend there, and then 5, G, 4 on the B, back to 5 on the G. And at the end we just have 8 slide up to 10 on the E. And then we have the last little outro, and we'll do all those solos at the end as well, so we play that for you. So now we're just moving up to the D, we play it once. Now this next part we're just going to keep repeating to the end. Play the D again, then we do our little fill, but we've moved up 7th fret on D and G, hammer on the 10th fret D and G, 2 palm mutes or 2 mutes, and then 10 D and G. So we play it the same as before, we've just moved it up 2 frets. So D, and our fill, and just keep doing that to the end. Then we have our solo, let me do that for you. Very angular, so we've got lots of sort of pinched harmonics and half pinched harmonics there. So 1st fret on the D 2 times, 3rd fret A, back to the 1st fret on the D, pinched harmonic, back to the A 3, 1, back to the 1st fret on the D 2 times, 3rd fret A, then just do a palm mute on the A 3, 1. Then we're repeating that again, 1st fret on the D 2 times, back to A, 3rd fret, 1st fret on the D, pinched harmonic on the A 3, 1. This time we go back to the 1 on the D, do it 2 times, and then play it again, and do a slight bend there. Then we do that again, 1st fret on the D 2 times, 3rd fret A, then palm mute the 1st fret on the D, and then A 3, 1, back to 1st fret on the D, 3rd fret on the A, and then do the palm muting again, 3, 1. D, first fret 2 times, 3rd fret on the A, back to D, first fret, A, 3, 1, D, 1, 2 times, and then go 3rd fret on the D, and then do 3rd fret again, slide up to the 5th fret, 3rd fret on the G, now we're jumping to the D string 3rd fret 2 times, play it again and slide up to the 5th fret, 3rd fret, and then 6th fret on the A, back to 3rd fret on the D 3 times, 1st fret on the D, and then 3rd fret on the A 3 times, A 1st fret, back to A, sorry, D 1st fret, back to A 3, 1, 3, 3, 3. We're doing that again, 3rd fret on the D 2 times, slide up to the 5th fret, play the 3rd fret, 6th fret on the A, back to D, 3, 3, 3, 1, to A, 3, 3, 3, 1 on the D, back to the A, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3. Now this is where the chorus rhythm's kicking in, we play the 3, slide up to 5 on the D, 3, to A, 6, back to 3 on the D, back to A, 3rd fret 2 times. Then do the 3, slide up to 5 on the D again, 3 on the G with a bend, and then 5, 4 on the B, 5 on the G. Then we're just sliding up to 13 on the B. Then we have these little fills to finish off. 3 on the A, 5th fret on the G, pinched harmonic, and then 3rd fret on the G with a bend. Then we have 5th fret D 2 times, 3rd fret slide back to 1st fret, and 3rd fret A. Then come up to the 5th fret, the 8th fret there on the D string, play and then bend and release, play 5, 3, and then 6 on the A and jump to 5 on the G. And then just play 2nd fret D and G and slide up the neck there. And it's the main solo. Then we have all the little solo fills at the end. I'll just play each one and go through it with you there. The first fill is B string 13, slide to 15. Next fill, E string 15, bend, and then play 13, 15, 13. Next one. So then we just B string 10, hammer on to 13, slide up to 15. Next fill. So now we have 13, pull off the 10 on the B. To the G, 12, pull off the 10, hammer on 12, and then bend 10. Next fill. So just bend 15E, play 13, and then 15B. The next one. 15B, E, 13, 15, bend. Next one. So now 13, pull off the 10 on the B, 12, pull off the 10 on the G, and then 12D. The next fill. So now G, 12, hammer on to 14, and again, and then 15, pull off the 12 on the D. Next fill. B string, 10, hammer on to 13, slide up to 15. Next one. Bend 15E, 13, 15. And our next fill. So B, 10, hammer on to 13, slide up to 15, play 15 again. Next fill. So we've done this one, 13, pull off the 10 on the B, 12, pull off the 10 on the G, 12D. Then just jump to 15 on the E, 2 bends. And then we have the next fill. So G, 10, hammer on to 12. 13 on the B, slide up to 15. Then just 13, slide to 15 again. And then the last little fill, just quite faded out by then. So 13 on the E, pull off to 10, B 13, slide to 15. And that's all the parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Sleeping Bag Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'll see you soon.